If you're looking to give your WRX or STI a track-inspired look, then you're definitely going to like this video because IAG Performance recently released a new lineup of aero parts. First off, let's talk about our new IAG front canards. These canards are designed specifically for the 15 to 21 WRX and STI, and as you can see, they have a nice form fit to the front bumper here. But not only do they give your car an ultra aggressive appearance, they're also designed to reduce lift at high speed, making this a functional piece as well. The IAG Canards are made out of 50-52 aluminum, making them extremely lightweight and durable, and installation is super easy as well. We have a pre-cut 3M strip that we include with our Canard set, and you can attach it directly to your bumper that way. Or if you prefer something a little bit more secure, we also provide hardware, and the Canards themselves have pre-drilled holes that allow you to attach it directly to your bumper. So whether you just like the aggressive front end look of Canards, or if you're taking your car to the occasional track day on the weekend, the IAG Canards are a great option for you. So if you're interested in buying a set of our Canards, head over to our website for more information.